This is the before.
The loader's here to clean up the mess. Just push it in the pile.
Hey, can you store a cup holder on these things?
Unfortunately, there's not on this one. I can't because I'm taking pictures with my phone.
Mom,
You gotta bring him up to see this.
Yeah, dog. No, I moved him back and never.
Bring him over here.
You're ground for a little.
You might have to take him out of the thing and lift him up because he's not going to see all that.
You saw that. You ever run over a tire at a monster truck?
Oh, he's actually built a head. He's like a robot.
I think we were more safe over there.
Thomas, move over in front of your dad. Just move in front of your dad. There you go.
I'll pick you up in a minute. I'll pick you up in a minute, sweetheart.
Bark. Rough. Roll over. Lay down. Lay down. And you lay down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Yay! Woo, woo, woo. Get on your knees. I thought you did.
What's that? You in my house?
Yeah, everybody. Where's everybody? Yeah.
All right, happy dog. Taking that. See happy dog.
Quinn's gonna let you leave your
Come on, everybody, cheer if you want to see a happy dog.
Yeah!
Come on, who wants to see a happy dog? Louder.
Yeah!
Come on, happy dog.
Yeah! Oh no! We sprung a leak.
Andy killed the Michelin Man.
Off he died.
All right, who's gonna blow the pin? There he goes.
Hand out the pictures.
There you go. One flat. Hey, Joe. I take those off.
I told you.
Yeah.
This has got to be covered. Watson. Scott. They got to be, yeah, I know.
Yours too, I thought it was cool. You know what he's doing? Okay. They were in between houses. Yeah, you ready? Good, right?
Two places stay in the community.
Right.
Yeah, we went to that. You called them up.
That's how you make a convertible, or 4 at once. We're going to send this to the insurance company and collect some money. This is my car.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's all good.
Sorry.
That's all right. This is going to the insurance company so I can collect a few thousand.
Call the insurance company.
Exactly. We can all make some money off of this.
This is what it's $12,000.
Oh, I didn't get to see the. Too bad we weren't on this side to see them blow out the front hood.
Yeah.
He did it on purpose.
My truck will do the... In case it goes forward.